Just another update in the Cavalier. So you can see I'm taking this whole jacking point off. This has been patched up numerous times up here. You can see where the subframe's mounted on. See how bad this is. And I've nowhere near finished it. I'm going to take all right back the floor, right back here to about here, and then I've got a new, one of these panels which goes on here. So about there. So you can see that, and then I've got jacking point bit as well is in here. So I need to get all this away, and I think I need to take this bit out as well. Probably more of this. Might have to take this back, even though this bit here is alright, and behind it isn't so much. Well, mainly this bit. So here, obviously this bit. Take that right up to here. That's been actually repaired, that bit there. So luckily I shouldn't have to do the other side, because the other side's been done. This was all replaced, jacking point and stuff, and it was all fixed under here. So this and this. It's almost a Flintstones car. Okay, thanks.